Djangorestframework Serializer Errors, unknown_field_errors, input provided. I'm using Djangorestframework, and someone makes a put request to a people list to a marker scene, passing in just a person object's ID in the URL. I fetch the person object, to in this case, and then simply change the fetched person object's field has _been_viewed to true. The updated person object is then to be serialized and returned back to the client. Serializer errors is unknown_field_errors column, input provided. Serializer.data looks fine to me.
You are providing a person instance to be updated by the serializer, but no accompanying data to update that instance with. If you want to deserialize some request data to update that instance with, then you're missing the data argument, for example. However, it sounds like the endpoint you want doesn't actually expect to deal with any input data, it's just an empty put request you're making, right? In which case you don't want /need to be using a serializer at all.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.